Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Explore on Cycle with Sonal Agarwal. Recently we went for a family trip to Turkey, which was amazing and relaxing at the same time. I had been planning this trip for a very long time, but due to official commitments we kept postponing the trip. We got a chance to execute our plan and we finally flew to Turkey. Let's jump directly to the itinerary that we had planned. First of all, everything was planned and organized by ourselves, from booking hotels, booking flights, applying for visa, and where to. We planned the trip for 12 days. Turkey is a very beautiful country and a destination to plan a trip. It is quite popular and famous for carpets, bazaars, hammams, and popular destinations like Istanbul, Cappadocia, Bodrum, Antalya, and also Turkish delicacies like baklava and Turkish tea. The itinerary is divided into 3 parts. We visited the most popular destinations of Turkey, that was Istanbul, Cappadocia and Bodrum. So let's begin with the first destination, Istanbul. We flew by Indigo Airlines from New Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport to Istanbul Airport on 27th July.
अच्छा अकेले जा रहे हो? मैं कहा नहीं, फैमिली के साथ जा रहा हूँ। कहता अच्छा घूमने जा रहे हो? मैं कहा क्या आपके पास?
Our flight was scheduled to take off at 5:30 a.m. but due to technical problems it got delayed by 2 hours. The time gap between India and Turkey is 2.5 hours. So as per Istanbul time, we landed at 12 p.m. and approximately drove 45 minutes to our Airbnb. The Airbnb was beautiful, fully furnished, 2 bedrooms, kitchen, drawing and dining room. We were so relaxed as the place was just exactly as described online. Our host, Miss Hashim, was very helpful and guided us with the local shops and areas, and with the booking flights and taxis. She was always one phone call away. After refreshing ourselves with amazing bath and tea, we headed out to visit Istiklal Street. The first thing we did after reaching Istiklal Street was to purchase a new local SIM card. Istiklal Street is 1.4 km pedestrian street and one of the most famous and popular avenues in Istanbul. The street starts from Galata and runs as far as Taksim Square. There are also amazing eye-catching buildings from the early years of the Turkish Republic, but now mostly are occupied by boutiques, theatres, cafes, pubs, libraries, hotels, chocolateries and so on. There is even a branch of Madame Tussauds. You can also enjoy photogenic red and cream tram which runs from tunnel to Taksim Square every 15 minutes. After so many Turkish cuisines, the first thing that we tried was kumpir. It is the most common dish among Turkish people. It is basically a big potato that is cut open and covered with a pile of delicious toppings of its choosing, like sweet corn, tuna, salmon, cheese, butter, olives and much more. Next we walked down to Taksim Square, which is considered as the heart of modern Istanbul with the central station of the Istanbul metro network. जल्दी करो यार, क्या रहता है? How is the taste? Very nice.
Next, we walk down to the other side of Istiklal Street, Galata. Galata Tower is built as a watchtower at the highest point of the walls of Galata. The tower is now an exhibition space and museum.
July 2022 और आज मेरा
We began our second day with a classic Turkish breakfast which is known as kahvaltı, which consists of black and green olives, cucumbers, eggs, sauces, dips, tomatoes, bread, jam, honey, sweet and black tea served in Turkish tea glasses. Sophia is the second most visited landmark in Turkey. It is one of the greatest examples of Byzantine architecture in the world with its mosaics, bronze doors, marble floors and stone inlays. It stood for over 1500 years. Hagia Sophia started its life as a church and remained for over 1000 years. Then it became a mosque for 500 years and then it became a museum and the Turkish government allocated a small prayer room. It wasn't always its name. It was called Church of the Holy Wisdom. People believed it has healing powers. Now finally it's classified as a mosque. Next we visited Topkapi Palace, which is a museum, and this served as the administrative center of the Ottoman Empire.
मैंने तो मांगा ही नहीं, निकालने को होता है।
मैं दिख गई।
In the evening, we took an hour ferry ride to Princess Island. It is the most beautiful island. I would definitely recommend you to plan. Don't miss cycling, which you can rent between 40 to 50 lira per hour. Just hop on your bike and explore the area. Because we were so exhausted after coming back from Princess Island, we started our day very late. So we had breakfast around 11 o'clock. Somebody recommended us to go to Dolmabahce Palace because we found that the tickets were quite overpriced, so we didn't go inside. We just took few snaps and came back. Last we visited Grand Bazaar, which is considered as one of the first shopping malls of the world. There are over 4,000 shops, so you can buy everything from accessories to bags, clothes and much more. In the evening we went to watch sunset at Galata Bridge. Next day we took a flight to Cappadocia. This is the end of the first part. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share button.